Hi, in this video I'm going to install Visual Studio Code and then PowerShell version 7 and then finally the Graph API module. Microsoft.Graph API is a gateway to the different applications like Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Microsoft Azure Active Directory, and now it is called Entra Active Directory, and etc. You can query this application using the API endpoint. I'm going to query the endpoint using the PowerShell from the next video, and this is just an introduction and the prerequisite. Open up a web browser and go to this site code.visualstudio.com and then just click here to Windows operating system, and then this is start downloading now. It is completed that I'm going to open the file to install the Visual Studio Code. Accept the license agreement. I'm choosing the default directory. And finish to launch the Visual Studio Code. Okay, here I'm going to select the dark theme and then next section, and I'm not going to choose anything here. I'm going to say mark done, and then I'm going to a new file. No, I'm not going to the new file. I'm clicking here to install the extension. So I'm going to choose PowerShell here. Then I'm going to install this extension. Okay, the extension has been installed successfully. So I'm going to launch the terminal here, new terminal. And then I'm going to check what is the version of PowerShell version. So now, right now we have 5.1. So we have to install 7 point something. Okay. Clear the screen. And then I'm going to paste this code. Okay, this code I'm going to give you on the description below, so you can copy this one. Click on next, and choose everything at default. And finish. So now what we need to do is that we need to check the PowerShell version 5. So in order to get PowerShell version 7, you have to close this one and then launch a new terminal. $PS $7.4. So we have installed PowerShell version 7.4.1 successfully. The next one, we need to install the Microsoft.Graph module. So I'm going to copy paste the code on the terminal here. So you need an admin right in order to run this one. So I'm going to launch the Visual Studio Code as an administrator. I launch the Visual Studio Code as an admin. So I'm going to go to the terminal now. Now let's copy paste the code. So I accidentally pressed the button, hit enter, and A. So it's going to install the Microsoft.Graph module. We have installed the Graph API module successfully. In this video, we have learned how to install Visual Studio Code, and then PowerShell version 7, and then finally the Graph API module. Thanks for watching. You have a great day.